You know, we talk a lot here at this school about making the transition from school to college, making the transition from this school into a career one day. These are the skills that they're getting now that are going to carry them forward into the future. When you think about a change at this school, I want them to be confident, I want them to be enthusiastic about the tough stuff, and I want them to be building the foundation that people later come back to me and say, wow, what are you guys doing that's making kids like this?
What I always say is getting kids motivated and getting kids holding their attention is like the first thing towards teaching. You can have all the teaching content in the world ready, but if you don't have their attention, it's first base. You know, Lego products excel at getting kids engaged and focused, and that's why I love it. The kids walk in the door and they go, yes, Lego. I mean, they're just right at the door, right as they're coming into your class, and you know that you have got a really great chance to give them some great learning experiences and get them to learn some stuff that they're going to remember and retain for a long time.
I think our society really underestimates the capabilities of our young students because they're just sponges. They're ready to absorb everything. So when they're actually engaged in hands-on learning, critical thinking and exploration, they all of a sudden not only do they find more success, but they also find out that failure is just a step towards success. The other thing that we've seen is a real boost in confidence and literacy. And that's big nowadays because that's an area where students tend to be a little bit timid.
These authentic experiences of engaging in engineering and science and math through the Legos really gives the kids a taste for what their future could be and helps them make better decisions about their career in school so that they can get to where they want to do, so they can get to where they want to be later on in life. And we've seen a very powerful impact on our kids' lives of really re-engaging them in the academic process and re-engaging them at school at every level.